The blood pressure machine is a talking machine and a very simple and easy to use with a single press of a button. We're going to open up the box, show you what's inside of the blood pressure monitor system. We have a USB-C cable about 1 meter long, a monitor system in the bag, and another package which contains batteries and your monitoring system strap. The unit takes 4 AAA batteries included, a user's manual, a nice large display screen, black, blue, and white lettering. In the back of the unit it has rubber feet and a sliding door that lifts open, placing in the 4 AAA batteries, locking down the door. Remove the film protector on the LCD screen. With the long cable, simply plug in the unit to the side. And if need to run the unit via USB-C AC power, supply your own brick. Located on the opposite side is the USB-C port. Turning the unit on is hitting the start button. Large display lights up and the unit will automatically
refrain from talking during measurement and keep the cuff at the heart level.
Talk to you and pump. Simply grab the armband, wrap around, press start, and allow the unit to do its job.
Your blood pressure is systolic 132 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic 84 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse is 95.
To release, pull the strap and slide off. The blood pressure monitor will give you your readings and have a memory to save. And it is operated via battery, portable, or AC. Allow the machine to shut down or hit the stop button. The set and cog gear button, long press for over 3 seconds. Memory would change from 1 to 2, back to 1. ESP is on or off. This would be your change. PA and off. And then back to the screen. In order to start another reading, simply just put the cuff on. Readjust. As we start up again for a new blood pressure reading, it's as simple as hitting the start and stop on the blank screen. And when complete, it gives you a reading. You are now able to take the cuff off and place to the side. And you see your settings, your readings of the previous by hitting the buttons. An automatic shutdown of about 30 seconds to a minute, or hitting the stop button. With the carrying case, everything can be put away for another day. Portable. Everything you need could be put into the bag and put away or carry portable. Enjoy your blood pressure monitor system if this is the system you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.